Hello, welcome to our channel Spiritual Knowledge Institution. Today we are discussing about internal sound or sound of silence. In Hindi it is called Naad, Anhat Naad, Anhad Naad, Brahmanad or Manohar ki Murli. That means flute of Krishna. So this internal sound which we are talking about has different name in different languages. So what is naad? What is internal sound? This is the sound which created everything in the universe, or it created the universe, because universe was created with a sound. So everything in the universe has this sound, internal sound. Let's talk about humans only. This sound is present since we have taken birth, and it is always going on continuously in us. But everybody cannot hear this sound because of our five knowledge senses. We always look outward, what we see outside. These five senses keep us busy in our surrounding, in outside world. So we never look inside, what is going on inside. There are a lot of thought processes going on, lot of discussions, lot of karmas we have accumulated, which being a thought process is going on all the time. That is why you cannot have peace outside, you can have peace only inside. So you have to look for the peace. And we when we do meditate when we do meditation, we look peace inside. So the peace we are looking inside is not easy to find, because lot of thought process is going on. But when somebody take a certain process of being introversive, or somebody take a method of yoga or concentration to look inside what is going on, at a particular point he starts listening this sound. In Vedic culture, we call it when somebody take a guru diksha, when somebody take initiation from a master, master gives a mantra for the chanting, because mantras has great power. So when you keep repeating particular mantra, you start hearing very soon, at a one stage you start listening to the naad, the internal sound. The internal sound takes us into the deeper conscious level, where a lot of thought processes are going on. So this is need to understand that naad is nothing new, or it is always there, but it needs only our perceptions to be changed, to look at ourselves into our heart. So we must have control over our five knowledge senses. It is the peace we talk about is the freedom from the thought processes going on inside us because of our karmas. If we looking for the peace, that means freedom from the thought process about society, about ourselves, uh, about family, or there can be any problem in anybody's life. This is not only this life, the thought process uh, inside our mind is going on, but there are a lot of births we have taken and lot of karmas we have accumulated. So naad is an internal sound which we can start hearing when we look for the peace, and we attempt various methods. One of them is yoga, and initiation into some kind of practice sadhana, and reciting a mantra continuously, which make us to look through our heart. And this particular naad is it is not coming from any of the ear. When you start hearing it, it is not coming from any of the ear, left or right. You can hear from any of the ear. This sound is going on into your brain, but it does not mean when you are hearing it in your brain it started from there. As we ascend towards our higher consciousness from the lower consciousness, there are 6 chakras, 6 energy sources. And when our ascension And when our journey of consciousness reaches to the heart chakra, which is called the anhat, we start hearing this particular sound, internal sound. So it is very important to understand the conscious levels also. And the 6 chakras, generally we call 7 chakras, but the seventh is crown chakra. Is it's not a chakra, it is main source of everything, the higher consciousness. So 6 chakras up to Ajna chakra, we have so up to Ajna chakra, we ascend towards higher consciousness. And when we rising from the lower consciousness and we are passing through the heart chakra, then we start finding the peace inside. And before the peace comes the thought process. To clear out all the thought process going on in our mind, we have to cross the heart chakra. So Anahat Nad starts from Anahat chakra. The conscious level is at heart chakra. The connection you establish from heart actually to your brain, to your higher conscious, it is the first point of establishing a connection with the superconscious or a supreme conscious at your heart, chakra, or a junction of heart. There are a lot of things to discuss about heart chakra and why it is so important, why you start hearing the nad when your conscious is at heart chakra. There are a lot of things, but these are the small videos. This is just an introduction about internal sound. What is internal sound? How you can hear the internal sound? And this is the basic. So next point of discussion will be, how do you differ nad from tinnitus? Please do subscribe my channel Spiritual Knowledge Institute for more videos like that. You can ask your questions if you are on spiritual journey. Thank you so much.